Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Google Camera in Infinix Note 40 device. So for this guys, first of all, go to Google and here search for Gcam download. So on the very first, we have the website Gcam APK. Just tap here guys. After that, scroll and then click to download now. Then we have option of Google Camera port 9.4. So just tap here. So it will take to this page. After that guys, scroll and then you have option of download for Samsung phone, download for OnePlus, for Realme phones, Xiaomi and SS, and download for all other devices. So right now we have Infinix, so just tap to all other Android phones and we have these links here. So just scroll and then on the very last we have option of Shamim 8.8.224.10. So just click to download link and as you see it will start downloading. Now click to details and the Gcam will start downloading. So after downloading guys, just tap on the link and then click to install. Now as you see the Google Camera is now installing and the app is installed. So that's it. Now go back to the home and as you see the Gcam is now available on our device. So that's how we can install Gcam in Infinix Note 40 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.